Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Vel Doggs and this is my kitchen where I make restaurant quality food or better. From my home to yours. Let's get cooking. So we're going to be creating a Krabby Patty with Spongebob today. So follow me to the kitchen with Spongebob in there making the food. I got to take this plate to him. I'll be there.
It's the dream.
Oh!
It is good. It is good. Thumbs up for me.
Give it 100.
10 out of 10.
And today we will be exposing the secret formula to Krabby Shack. Is it Krabby Shack?
It's a Krabby Patty. Krusty Krab.
Krusty Krab secret formula. And we're going to be performing the Krabby Patties with Spongebob today. So stay tuned in.
Why did you say performing?
I don't know.
Okay.
What do I want to say?
Krabby Patty!
Okay, like.
Share.
And subscribe. Boom.